I wanted to warn everybody today not to buy this microwavable can of beans. It's not worth it at all. It says it has 7 ounces of juice and beans in here, and on the back of it, it says it has 9 grams of protein. And I just called the company. I've never called the company to talk about their food, but I called them and I let them know that it was wrong, that they're misleading people. So it says it has 725 ounces in there at 9 grams of protein, okay? And they try to tell me, oh, well, of course the can has more. It has more ounces in it. Well, then tell me why does it have 9 grams of protein at 725 ounces and the can of beans lasts longer and it has 6 grams of protein at 15 ounces? How does that make any sense? Well, it doesn't. Anyways, I told her that I rather eat the beans cold. If I didn't have a microwave or for whatever reason I needed this to go that bad, I would rather just rip the can off and put it in a bowl and just eat it. Forget the microwave, dude. It's not worth it at all. I could sit there for maybe 10, 15 minutes taking my time, maybe up to 20 minutes or longer. I mean, sometimes I don't finish the ranch style beans when I buy it from the can like this, right? So it's good, it's worth it. It's $1.24. And I told her for a penny more or for what, 3 pennies more, you get allegedly more protein, which is a complete lie. You get less ounces. You're paying 3 pennies more, which that's not. We're not here to talk about. First of all, it should be a dollar. It shouldn't be $1.28. Okay, if they want to compete product against product in their category, they really need to bring this down to like a dollar. Because I promise you, dude, and I'm leaving a bad review right here. Check it out. This was a terrible product. It's perfect for a child. I can promise your experience will be slurping the bean juice and then a shot of beans. That's exactly what it is. A 100%. So I was really, really thrown off by this. It's not worth it at all. You know what? And I'm not lying. I can promise you the can has 3 times this. 3 times this. That's what the can felt like. Maybe even 4 times this, but at least you're buying literally 3 of these if you just get the can. If you buy one of these, you must be in like a hurry. You must like not have any dishes and you don't like washing dishes or you're on the road or I have no idea what your situation is that it just doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, it doesn't make any sense at all. It's not worth it. And they did not put that many beans in there. When you open the thing, when you open the metal lid, it's you don't see beans. It's fucking juice. It's all juice. I was not kidding. I was not kidding when I put this review. I put your experience will be slurping the bean juice. I didn't say eat the beans. I said slurping the bean juice first, right? That's exactly what I went through. I couldn't even see the beans. I was drinking it. I saw what was in there and I was like, dude, this doesn't look like 9 grams of protein. I ate it and I was still hungry. And I'm like, damn. Like, bro, this is not okay. So I let them know that they should price this at a dollar. Real talk. A dollar would be. I mean, what are they charging us more for? We're paying more money for the plastic container because it's microwavable. We're paying more money for that. That's not worth it. It's not. It's not worth it. I can understand their manufacturing cost, but damn. I mean, this is not. an alternative whatsoever. So I'm just gonna have to end the video there. And let me submit my review. Just drinking bean juice and a shot of beans. Wow. Yeah, I'm never buying this product again. Don't buy it. Trust me.